Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can link TikTok account to Facebook account. Alright guys, first thing first, let's just open up our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile and we're going to copy our TikTok username. And this is my TikTok username. We can long press on the username to copy the username. Okay, now the username has been copied to clipboard and we're going to open our Facebook profile. You can click on those three lines and click on see your profile. And we're going to add the TikTok username to our Facebook profile. We can click on the three dots. Then you have to select this edit. Okay. Then you can scroll down until you find the links option and click on add. Okay. And click on add social link. And here we have to select the platform. And since we want to add TikTok username, we can click on TikTok. And you have to paste your username right here. Okay, and you can save your username by clicking on the save button. Okay, and now the username has been added, or the TikTok link has been added to my profile, and I'm going to check it on my profile. Okay, as you can see that the TikTok account has been linked with my Facebook account. Alright guys, and that's how we can link TikTok account to Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.